Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to use Finviz for stock screening and analysis, focusing on the technical tab. This is a great way to find stocks perfect for swing or trend trading. First, start by laying out your criteria. For this example, we'll use 4 filters under the technical tab: the 200-day moving average, RSI pattern, and candlestick. I also added 1 filter from the descriptive tab to narrow it down to large cap companies, specifically those with a market cap between $10 and $200 billion. Here's what we used. 200-day moving average. Price is at least 10% below the small not overbought. It's below 60. Trendline Resistancy and Coltley's doji with these filters. The screener found 1 stock, Continental Resources Inc., ticker CLR, which is an oil and gas company currently trading around $46.50. The next step is to do your own technical analysis. Don't just rely on the screener results. Make sure the stock fits your technical criteria. Finviz has decent charting tools, but you can also use TradingView, which I prefer. Look for strong resistance levels, volume patterns during price swings, and confirm key points like Fibonacci retracements. All of this helps you confirm whether the trade setup is solid. Finally, it's time to trade. You have several options. You can trade the stock directly, invest in it for the long term, or trade options if you want to control risk and use less capital. Short-term trading may require margin for larger positions, while investing focuses on growth and dividends. Options offer potential for higher returns, but come with more complexity. If you want to learn more about options trading, check out our swing trading package linked below. That's it. Finviz is a powerful tool for screening stocks and helping you find trading opportunities that fit your strategy. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, please like, subscribe, and comment. With any questions, happy trading!